So welcome students. In this question you're asked to find the distance between this line and this plane. So you have a plane and you have a line. So if you're asked to find the distance between the plane and a line, obviously the line has to be parallel to the plane. The line has to be parallel to the plane, because if the line is not parallel to the plane, different points will be at different distances from this plane, right? So different points will be at different distance from this plane. So obviously this line has to be parallel to the plane. So you can check this. This line is parallel because the normal to the plane dot the direction of the line. 1 minus 5 plus 4 is equal to 0. That means this line is already parallel to the plane. Now if you want the distance of this line from this plane, the simple thing to do is you take a point on this line and find the perpendicular distance. You take a sample point on this line and find the perpendicular distance. You'll get the perpendicular distance between the line and the plane. So the sample point can be taken as this, right? So 2 minus 2 and 3. That's the sample point on this. And the plane in Cartesian form can be converted into x plus 5y plus z minus 5 is equal to 0. So the distance is nothing but the distance between this point and the plane. That is 2 minus 10 plus 3 minus 5 by root of 1 square plus 5 square plus 1 square mod. That is equal to, so 5 minus 5 gets cancelled. So 10 by root of 25 plus 2 is 27. That is 10 by 3 root 3. So this will be the distance between this plane and the line. Thank you.